2005 Chrysler Town and Country. I'm going to show you how to change out your engine air filter when you open the hood. There's a clip here, one here, and one right here in the back here. These two here. You want to unclip those, and you just push it away from the tab. There's some tabs here. Just push it away and gently lift up the cover. You can just take this filter out. This is the filter right here. This filter is tucked in like this. Get your new one. This filter is dirty, as you can see here. Get yourself a new one, put it back in. Just gonna put this one back for now, but you can get a air compressor and blow it out a little. Just put it back, make sure it seats in all the way like this, and then you put this cover back down. Make sure you push this notch back into this screw like that, and then clip it back. Clip this clip here and this one in the back like that. That's how you change it. If you like this video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment down in the comment box below, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching.